Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 11 assignment of the course, The Joy of Computing Using Python. So friends, for the past 5 years, we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses. So for this video, I'm going to give for Python course. So I tried my best to give you the most probable solutions guys. If you feel there should be any changes to be made, please give your opinion in the comment section and I will update that in the YouTube comment section itself. So please watch the video till the end guys without skipping, and please do subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel, and like the video and please share that with your friends and classmates. Let's see the first question guys. Select the correct statement regarding Selenium library. So for first question, the answer is all of the above guys. That is fourth option. Next, second one. Second one. Which of the following tasks in WhatsApp can be automated using Selenium? So for second question, I have got three options guys. The first one is first option, and next second one, and the third one is third option itself. So first three options. Next third question guys. Read the given code and identify the correct statement. So they have given a code and they are asking the output for that. I mean what it will do. So for the third question, so if you see the first one, that does something function returns a list of all time zones in Asia. It is correct option guys. And second one is also right one, because the above code prints all time zones and the output of code can change depending on the version of pytz used. So all these options are correct. That means we have to mark fourth option, all of the above as the correct option. So mark fourth option guys. Next, fourth question. So before getting into this fourth question, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. For the course The Joy of Computing Using Python, with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected the previous year's questions guys. So here you will get a huge number of 125 MCQs. Completely NPTEL based questions guys. Here you will get a PDF access Google Drive link. In that you will get 125 MCQs and the price will be 250 rupees guys. The validity will be till the exam day, but it can be extendable. And if you purchase with 250 rupees, up to 2 members can access that PDF. So if anyone is doing the same course along with you, you can team up with them and you can take this pack guys. And search option is also available. You can search any question you want, and it is also easy to revise guys, because it is a PDF, and search option is also available. So you can easily scroll the PDF and you can easily search any question you want and you can easily revise. So 125 MCQs guys, 250 rupees, up to 2 members can access that. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase, then mail me to this email ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. Already many students have taken our pack guys and got benefited. So take this one and prepare from now itself, so that you can get more time for revision at the end. So bk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well as in the comment section guys. So only mail me if you want to purchase guys. So 125 MCQs, 250 rupees guys. So that's it guys. So discuss with your friends and classmates and take this pack guys. So that's it. Now let's get back to the solutions. So fourth question, read the given code. What is the output of does something function? So for the fourth question, I have got the answer as 0 guys. 0. Next, fifth question guys. Read the given code. So this is the code they have given. And assume the file years.txt contains the following data. So what is the data? So this one. So they are asking what is the output of the code. So for this fifth question, I have got the answer as 2 guys. 2. Now, sixth question. Sixth one, guys. Read the given code. So this is the code. They are asking enter the value of int of count something of 1996 equals count something 2024. So for sixth question, I have got the answer as 1. Next, seventh question. So seventh question, read the given code, enter the value written by count underscore 1990 comma 2024. So for seventh question, I have got the answer as 35 guys. 35. Next, eighth one. So for eighth question, guys, the probable answer that I have got is option 5 guys. Please 5. Now let's move on to the ninth question now. Ninth one. Read the given code. Find the value written by find something method. So find something of 2000 comma 12. So this code, if you take this code, the year will be 2000, right? So this one 2000 and month is 12. So first day of the month. So in the year 2000 and in December, what will be the first day? So for ninth question, I have got the answer as 5 guys. Once again, it is 5. Now moving on to the 10th one. So before getting into this 10th question, I want to once again make you remember guys. So for this course, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs. We have collected the previous year questions of NPTEL. So you'll get a PDF access Google Drive link. So you'll get 125 MCQs. The price is 250 rupees guys. Up to 2 members can use that. So such option is also available and it is also easy to revise. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase, then only mail me guys. So this is the email ID to purchase. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected these guys. So note this mail ID. I will give the same email in the description box as well as in the comment section as well. So that's it guys. Now let's get back to the last solution. So please pair up with your friends and take this pack guys. So tell them to take this pack. You can combinedly purchase this pack guys. And it will be very much helpful for you in the preparation for the final exam. So last question. Read the following code. What does count something method return? So here the year will be 2024 and month will be 1. That means so for 10th and final question, I have got the answer as 23 guys. 23. So that's it guys for week 11 assignment of Joy of Computing using Python course. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and please like and share that video with your friends and classmates. And definitely take this pack guys. So 125 MCQs, just 250 rupees guys. Up to 2 members can use that. So keep supporting us like this. So guys, so until the next video, good.